Salamat, Gid.
Akin na yan,
Ayan, daming lumot pala today. No, malumot na ngayon. Lumot season. Ayan, thanks for following the instruction. Magkahiwalay talaga ang ating garbage from dagat, tapos yung mga human trash. Coffee muna, kagawa.